Good afternoon, welcome back to Nomad Crib. My name is Ian. Today we have a beautiful Vista apartment. This one's affordable in Poblado and it's been newly renovated. It is near the metro station Poblado. Let's go take a look. All right, let's go. Okay, this is, like I said, it's been freshly renovated with a 65-inch TV. Sounds like people outside are having a lot of fun, but check out this view. This is a great thing about this apartment. It's got a beautiful view of the city skyline of Medellin. Complete with aircon, which is needed in the city now. So the owner of this apartment's really outfitted this apartment really well. Again, as I said, it's a 1-bedroom with an office, but it's got a double door Samsung fridge, beautiful stove, microwave, even an air cooker. And a double stacker washer and dryer that can handle big loads. And then you've got your laundry sink right here. And let's go take a look at the rest of the apartment. So you've got a little wine rack here with your wine glasses. Again, super high-speed internet here. And this would be the principal bathroom, or sorry, principal bedroom, I should say. And here is the principal bathroom. Complete with rain shower. And in here we have I believe a 55-inch or 60-inch TV also. A lot of closet space here. Super important. And the great thing about this location is you're steps away from one of the biggest grocery stores in Poblado, the Éxito. With plenty of restaurants around here also. And here you have the social bathroom. Again, this one also has a rain shower, as you can see. And then here you have a pull-out couch and workspace right here. And here you're very, very close to 2 universities. And off in the distance to the east there is Envigado and Sabaneta. One last look at the main bedroom. Got your dining area right there. Living room. And again, an insane view of the city. I'll put the price at the end screen. Again, this is a long-term lease apartment, 6 months to 1 year. And an amazing location in Poblado. Here you're about a 3-minute walk from the grocery store and the metro. Thanks again for joining us today. This was a short apartment tour, a 1-bedroom, 1-office apartment tour. Brand new renovated apartment in Poblado. Priced really well. I'll put the price at the end screen. This is Ian, helping you find your happy place abroad. Thanks for joining us again today.